Hello, this is the project closeout video for the project Midnight ZK off from SDK, ADA Web 2 Payments, Cash App, Vice. Project number is 140082. We participated in the Cardano Open Developers category in Fund 14. Project manager Sri Charan. And we started the project November 24, 2025 and completed around June 28th of 2026. Um, yeah, so the deliverables was to create a non-custodial ADA to fiat off-ramp SDK. We use Plutus V3 as Aiken escrow contracts and midnight circuits to prove payee amount plus optional compliance predicates and KYC fills. So it's an open source solution that facilitates these kind of transactions, and we integrated it with Wise, Resolute, and Cash App's APIs. Yep. So as part of our first milestone, which is project initiation and SRS, software requirement specification, we gave the SRS and um, the other relevant documentations like risk registers, and then in our second milestone we created a technical architecture design, as you can see here. And the third milestone was actually the development and internal testing of it, and can see the outputs from our third milestone here, the lock transactions, the release in terms of payment failure and things like that. And there's also like a demo video that integrates the solution into all the off-ramp solution pathways. Like, so there's that demo and the outputs as well. And yeah, as part of our milestone, we created an extensive documentation that lets anybody start using it, and use whatever rails like Cash App and Vice, and how to use those adapters. All those information is here. And we also released the V1 with the release tag, as you can see here. And yeah, so this is the internal final testing report, which confirms that everything is working good before the final release. And yeah, so we also did a marketing campaign of our launch, and you can find the links to that here. Yep, as you can see, we did our campaign throughout X, Discord, and our target impressions was um, yeah, a minimum of like 100 engagements, likes, reposts, replies, all included. But I think we crossed our numbers by 3 to 4x. Yep. Um, so you can see all the engagement stats here. Yeah, it's actually 5.6x. So a lot of people are like experimenting um, this, and we are also like promoting it through few hackathons for its usage. And yeah, um, so yeah, so the before this, that wasn't midnight or like a compliance enabled off ramp SDK or pathway to do this, and this is one of its kind of first project that implements these kind of first, features on Cardano. And ongoing, we would be maintaining change logs and would be maintaining the GitHub as well. And yeah, the larger impact that it would have on um, the ecosystem would be it just enables a lot of new use cases in a compliant way, uh, and and it introduces a more private and compliant way for off ramping. We intend to extend the same features for on ramping as well. That's something in our future pipeline where we would want to like work on and like update the SDK. Yep. Really looking forward to like seeing how the community uses this. Thank you.